Go to the crate and get the MPJ pages for Lesson 3. Set up your page so that this is on the left-hand side. Pause the video until you are ready to begin. Greatest common factors. We went over using a T-chart to find greatest common factors. Remember that the two factors multiply together to get a product. The product is your target number. So if we're looking for the greatest common factor of 36 and 48, the first step is to list all of the pairs of factors for both numbers. The first pair is always 1 and the product. Remember your divisibility rules. If a number is even, it is divided by 2, so 2 is a factor. If you can add the digits together and the answer is divisible by 3, then so is the number. 36 is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. If the number ends in 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. If the digits add together to be 9, the number is divisible by 9. And if that ends in a 0, the number is divisible by 10. Finding the factors of 36, you would list out 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 and 6. 36 is a square number, so when you list the numbers out, you will only list the 6 one time. Then find the factors of 48, 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8. Next, list out your numbers and circle or underline everything that is the same in both the lists. 36 and 48 have a lot of common factors. They share 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Since the largest common factor is 12, that is the number we list as our greatest common factor. We'll repeat this with 21. 21 only has 4 factors, 1 and 21, 3 and 7. Then find the factors for 35. 1 and 35, 5 and 7. List them out and circle the factors that are the same. In this case, it's just 1 and 7. So the greatest common factor is 7. Greatest common factors are easy to find using the T-chart. Remember, the product goes on the top and the factors are listed out in pairs on either side of the T. A common factor is a number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 2 equals 4. The common factors are 2, so the greatest common factor is 2. So we can do the same thing for 4 and 8. Find the greatest common factor of 4 and 8. First, use the T-chart to list out the factor pairs. 1 and 4, 2 and 2 are your factors for 4. Do the same thing for 8. 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Write your lists of factors and then circle the factors that are the same. In this case, we have 1, 2, and 4. Since the largest factor they share is 4, 4 is our greatest common factor.